Hey crypto curious crew. Ever wanted to dip your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but got hung up at the sign-up process? Specifically, a question about your social security number, SSN, giving you a pause? Well, fear not, fellow finance friend, because today we're diving deep into whether Gemini, a popular crypto exchange, requires your SSN and why. Now, before we dissect the details, let's take a quick step back. Crypto can be a fantastic tool for building your financial future, but it's important to understand the landscape you're entering. Cryptocurrency exchanges, like Gemini, act as marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. But with great crypto power comes great responsibility, with apologies to Spider-Man. These exchanges operate under regulations set by different government bodies. These regulations are put in place to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. And that's where your SSN, or Social Security Number for our US viewers, and Social Insurance Number, SIN, for our Canadian friends, can come into play. So, does Gemini require your SSN? The short answer, yes. For US residents, Gemini requires your SSN during the account verification process. But hold on, before you hit the brakes, let's unpack why. Why does Gemini need your SSN? There are two main reasons. The first has to do with something called Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. KYC is a global standard that requires financial institutions to verify the identity of their customers. This helps to prevent criminals from using these platforms for illicit activities. The second reason ties back to another regulation, the Bank Secrecy Act, BSA, in the U.S. The BSA is designed to combat money laundering and terrorist financing. By collecting your SSN, Gemini can report any suspicious activity to the authorities. What information does Gemini actually need? Beyond your SSN, Gemini will also ask for some other personal information during verification. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, and a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Is my information safe with Gemini? Security is obviously a top concern when dealing with financial institutions. Gemini assures users that they take data security very seriously. They employ a variety of security measures to protect your information, including encryption and multi-factor authentication. Are there any alternatives if I don't want to provide my SSN? While providing your SSN is standard practice for most regulated crypto exchanges, there may be a few peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms that allow for transactions without SSN verification. However, these platforms often come with their own set of risks, such as lower liquidity and higher chances of encountering fraudulent activity. The takeaway, weighing the risks and rewards. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use an exchange that requires your SSN is a personal one. There are clear benefits to the regulations that necessitate SSN collection, like increased security and fraud prevention. However, we understand the importance of data privacy. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose a platform that you feel comfortable with. Remember, the crypto world is still evolving, and regulations may change over time. So, stay informed and make smart choices for your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.